NeuroGov Plus transforms predictive AI into governed enterprise intelligence. KPI measures performance, TSI measures governance stability and operational stress, while OSI confirms successful sustainable outcomes. Analyzer 1.0 governs authority before enterprise execution. IGA 2026 Sankey graph. Full description. This Sankey graph shows the finance governance governed intelligence flow from inform to KPI, TSI, and OSI, then into Analyzer 1.0, and finally into Assure. The graph values are dynamically derived from the selected domain profile, confirming that AI intelligence is not executed directly, it is governed before authority is granted. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Governed Healthy Intelligence Cockpit, Prototype. 1. The evolution from dashboard to governance cockpit. The NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Cockpit represents a major evolution from traditional dashboards into governed enterprise intelligence systems. Conventional dashboards only display metrics and predictions, whereas NeuroGov Plus integrates governance logic, Analyzer 1.0 validation, KPI, TSI, OSI, policy control, and Assure accountability into a unified enterprise decision architecture. The cockpit does not merely inform management, it governs enterprise execution before authority is granted. 2. IGA 2026 Architecture Foundation. The cockpit operates on the IGA 2026 governance architecture built around the Inform rightward arrow govern rightward arrow Assure flow. Inform generates intelligence through AI, forecasting, analytics, and domain-specific signals. Govern validates the intelligence through Analyzer 1.0, KPI, TSI, OSI, thresholds, policies, and governance logic. Assure preserves audit evidence, institutional memory, accountability records, and governance traceability for future review and compliance assurance. 3. Domain-driven intelligence. One of the strongest capabilities of the cockpit is adaptive domain intelligence. When the domain changes from manufacturing to healthcare, finance, education, ESG, telecom, retail, logistics, or public sector governance, the entire intelligence profile changes automatically. KPI behavior, TSI sensitivity, OSI expectations, Analyzer 1.0 verdicts, and Sankey governance flow dynamically adapt to reflect the selected governance environment. 4. KPI as performance governance. KPI represents governed enterprise performance. In the cockpit, high KPI confirms operational efficiency, productivity, target achievement, forecast confidence, and execution stability. Unlike ordinary business dashboards, KPI here is not treated as a standalone metric, it is interpreted through governance logic to determine whether enterprise operations are mature enough for controlled execution under NeuroGov Plus. 5. TSI as governance stability. TSI measures operational pressure, governance instability, compliance stress, escalation risk, and sustainability pressure. A low TSI indicates that the enterprise is operating within safe governance tolerances. NeuroGov Plus uses TSI as a strategic governance stabilizer, ensuring that organizations do not execute decisions purely based on high performance while ignoring operational or governance risks. 6. OSI as outcome success intelligence. OSI validates whether enterprise outcomes are truly meaningful and sustainable. High OSI confirms stakeholder trust, long-term success, sustainability alignment, and governance maturity. Through OSI, NeuroGov Plus ensures that performance is not only profitable but also ethical, explainable, sustainable, and institutionally responsible. 7. Analyzer 1.0 as governance authority. Analyzer 1.0 acts as the central governance authority of the cockpit. It evaluates KPI, TSI, OSI, thresholds, policy tolerances, domain sensitivity, and sustainability conditions before assigning a verdict such as allow, condition, hold, or block. This ensures that AI intelligence remains advisory while governance retains execution authority. 8. Sankey Governance Flow. The Sankey governance flow visually demonstrates how enterprise intelligence moves through the IGA 2026 architecture. Intelligence generated in Inform flows into KPI, TSI, and OSI evaluation. Analyzer 1.0 then validates the intelligence before authority is granted, while Assure captures audit evidence and governance accountability. This creates a full governed intelligence lifecycle rather than isolated analytics. 9. Enterprise DSS and board-level value. For management and board-level DSS environments, the cockpit becomes a strategic governance center rather than a reporting interface. Executives can evaluate enterprise stability, sustainability, compliance maturity, governance readiness, operational pressure, and long-term outcome assurance in real time. This enables organizations to move from reactive management toward governed, explainable, and accountable enterprise intelligence. Summary. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, transforms AI from prediction into governed enterprise intelligence through the integration of KPI, TSI, OSI, Analyzer 1.0, and the IGA 2026 architecture. The cockpit dynamically adapts to domain governance requirements while ensuring that enterprise intelligence remains explainable, sustainable, auditable, and policy-controlled before execution. Power Summary. NeuroGov Plus is not a dashboard. It is a governed intelligence cockpit where AI generates intelligence, Analyzer 1.0 governs authority, KPI validates performance, TSI stabilizes governance risk, OSI confirms sustainable outcomes, and Assure preserves accountability. Under IGA 2026, organizations move beyond predictive AI into trusted, explainable, auditable, and enterprise-grade decision governance. DrPradeepKSuri, inventor and architect 3D, 10D AI DNN Engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, and IGA 2026 Governance Architecture.